Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to make with these old beehives cones a wax. Those are very old ones that I kept it long time ago because the bees, they left it, they gone, and it stayed, and I saved it so I can make beautiful wax out of it. So we're going to go and start. All right, now we are here. We're gonna start. What do I have here? I have a pot over here. I put already half of the water and I warm the water. It's kind of almost like close to boiling time. So you will put the wax. Before that, let me tell you that on your counter, make sure that you have a lot of newspapers because it might become a mess, your counter. If you're careful, nothing will happen. You can do this even outside on your barbecue grill side. You have a stove, a little burner you can put on that, but otherwise it will be make a mess. So what you have to do, you put the waxes in. So what is this? We're going to make a wax for clean to use for any kind of cream, face cream, for barber shops. They use their mustache or whatever you can use. It's a very beautiful things. So we will do this. We're gonna cut them pieces by pieces, and we're gonna put in the water. And the water, it's gonna be very bad and yucky, but do not worry. What we do later on, we'll strain it, which I will show you. And couple time, we're gonna put later on in a steamer clean and let it melt again. So all the dirt, the residue, it will go down and it will become really nice clean wax. You can show over here how bad it looks, but you don't have to worry. What is doing this, it's melting, so it will separate the wax with the water later on. So for now we're gonna leave like this, and then later on I'm gonna show you what I do. Now it's boiling, and I will leave it like at least just one more second, couple more seconds. I think it's boiling good, and you can see that already the wax is kind of, you can tell that it's almost ready. So now you have to have a good container, plastic container, and I have a strainer, and you have to have a veil like cheesecloth, whatever. Cheesecloth, it has some holes, but this one is completely nice, like a stocking. It is like a panty or stocking. So I will turn the fire, and what we have to do is we're gonna empty into the, let's do this way, and then get closer. There we go. We'll empty it, and then all the liquid, the strainer, you hold it, shake it, leave it, and this is all. You can do it one more time if you want, boil it and see as much as wax you can take out of it, or you can throw it away. It's up to you. This will, now it's gonna drip all the wax, and then it's gonna get cooler. You can show there, and then it's gonna separate from the wax from water once it's cold. You can see over here on the veil already, wherever there is no liquid, it's already getting colder. That is, it has lots of wax in it. So we're going to use every bit of it. I'm going to squeeze it just a little bit, and then I will leave it, just let it strain, drip, whatever it can. All right, now that the wax, we emptied after we melted, you can see over here there was one, which is now it's a liquid. We're going to get rid of it. I put it in a crock. It's not a crock pot, it's a steamer. I can put in a crock pot too, because I have two plates like this that I don't need it for a wax. And here you see how it gets first time in the water, and then it separates. We will put it here, because we're gonna wash it one more time. I mean, we're gonna melt it one more time, so we take all the residue, the back that you will see. So that's what we're gonna do it, and then I'm gonna show you how clean wax it's gonna be. All right, well, there it is. And now we will get rid of this water. Sometimes I take this water not sometimes, I take this water and I don't drain it into the sink. I'll take this under the trees. So any fruit that you have, the fruits will be sweeter, because when it's in a liquid, there's plenty sugar, plenty honey. Still the honeybees, they go, and because of the sweetness of the pollen, they will go on your trees. All right, we're gonna melt that, and then we're gonna show you how it's nice wax you will have it. So now I'm taking all the residues a little bit, the dirt. These are all dirt. So what I'm going to do again, I'm going to put in a cooker, rice cooker. Like I said, I have 2 dishes like this. One is I use it for the wax, and I filled it in it 1/4 of the water, less than half. And now I'm going to put my wax back again, because there is still like dirt in it. Even though more or less it looks beautiful job, it looks like plenty cleaned up. I'm going to do it one more time, and then we will see. I think it will be enough. And then what I do, I just put it on high, just the water to get hot. But then I'm going to put on warm, and I'm going to be here waiting to melt and let it completely melt so I can put it back. So I'm a little bit impatient. I like to, make it faster. So what I do, when I fill it in a bucket over here, I put cold water and then I fill ice, so it will work faster instead to wait too long. All right, so this much dirt it came, like you see, it was extra. Now I'm gonna throw this away. I'm gonna clean it up over here, and then we will see how clean, how good it's gonna look, our wax. All right, now this will be the last time that I think the wax will be pretty clean, because I've cleaned it for a few times. Over here I have a boiling water. I want to put in a bucket a little bit boiling water from the beginning. When I put the wax in a cold water, when I have it, it freezes already and it's keeping the dirt inside. So I want to put hot water, boiling water first, and I added a little extra material for filtering. So this way, hopefully, it will be nicer. So now this is boiling. I have to turn it off, and we're gonna empty this. Let's hold it good. Make sure you keep away from kids and everything. And little by little, I have to empty it. I want to hold it up, so I don't want the water touch there, so this way it will go down. There you go. And this way I think it's gonna hold all the dirt. It has to be clean this time. Now I'm gonna take this out. All right. You just be careful you don't burn your fingers, your hands. There you go. And then we're gonna let this cool off. Separates from the water, and we hope everything will be beautiful. There you go. All right, so we're gonna leave it like this until it cools off, and then we're gonna show you the result. All right, we're back again. This is the last time that I did it. I finished it. So this much wax it came, and in the back there's very, very little dirt. I can scrape it and it will be clean. We can use this for a lot of cosmetic things. Wax, it can be a lot of useful. Always respect the bees. Do not kill them. Let them fly. Let them pollinate and everything. And I think my wax, it looks very beautiful. Well, thank you for watching again. I hope you like it. And if you like, subscribe my channel and like. And I thank you very much again. Bye-bye.